I wanted to talk about HDFC Bank as well because, at least yesterday, one of the major drivers for the index, for both indices in fact, was HDFC Bank. It surged by about 2% or so. And I think it's very important for the markets to move higher from here on, that HDFC, if it does not even rally, it finds some bit of a support. So what are the, the levels that you will be tracking as far as HDFC Bank is concerned, sir?
So first up, let me just put out a view very clearly. We think HDFC buys and accumulate. We've heard the old adage where, if you want to park your money in the bank, you'd rather buy the share of this bank rather than put the money in, in the FD of this bank, right? That's how I still look at it. Uh, y- you know, uh, what happened recently with PSU banks and the railway names, in a very short term, as we call the recency effect, will explain what is happening with HDFC Bank on the broader term. Let me give let me take 30 seconds to explain. When we saw those 5, 10, a 10 to 12% kind of dips on these names in the last 2, 3 days, everyone started questioning whether this rally is sustainable, whether the story is over, and it was just a 2 day correction. And most of these stocks are back to their old prices, if not higher. Now, what happened with these names over the short period of time is happening with HDFC Bank over a slightly longish period. Let's not forget the kind of darling it has been, the kind of returns that it has made. So take it as a long term bet. Start your SIPs in HDFC Bank from here on. As far as the levels go, I think 1350 is a very strong support zone. Once that is broken, perhaps we'll look at if we have to revise the view. But 1350 is a very strong support zone, and in any case, the stock is off its highs from 1700 odd levels. Uh, I won't rule out a good 15 to 18% kind of an up move in the coming year. So for me,
Wow.
HDFC Bank is a very attractive buy at these levels and will continue to remain so for at least 1350 odd levels.